What's up, Glam Squad, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome. In today's video is going to be a short video, but I just wanted to share this beautiful nail inspo that I saw on TikTok from a TikToker named GlammedBeauty. I instantly fell in love with this nail design, so I wanted to redo it myself. And these are some pictures of the actual set. And I'm going to be encapsulating with poly gel. Alright, so let's get to the video. Alright guys, so first thing is first, make sure you prep your nails as always, which means removing the shine, pushing back your cuticles, and of course filing your nails. So I filed mine really short. Usually I don't really cut my nails, but I did it because this is kind of a see-through set and I didn't want my nails to show. So right now I'm just going to be picking up the nail tips that I'm going to be using, and after that we are going to start. Alright, so after picking out my nail tips, I am going to go ahead and blend the nail tips to my nails with my e-file, or you could use a regular file. And I'm actually going to buff out the rest of the nails as well, so the base coats could, so it could stick to the nail basically. So I'm going to use my base coat, and I'm gonna go ahead and start placing the hearts. So the heart glitters that I got are from Amazon. I will definitely link them down below, and they're very cute. And I actually took out 2 packs because I just wanted to see what I had, and I actually wanted to incorporate some lips into the set, and I was just looking for those. After finding the ones that I wanted to use, like I said, I was going to put my base coat first. Do not cure until you put the hearts. So put on your base coat, stick the hearts on the base coat, and then you could go ahead and cure it. So this part I am going to fast forward a little bit, only because it did take me a long time. I had never done this method before, but as you can see, all you have to do is just put the hearts in the directions that you want, and then when you're finished, you just go ahead and cure it. Alright, so this is how the thumb looks. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my nails. Alright, y'all, so this is how the rest of the nails look. Very cute and glittery. I loved it. So now, instead of using acrylic to encapsulate, I'm going to go ahead with the clear poly gel. And I'm basically going to do the same thing that you do with the acrylic, just that is poly gel. One thing I gotta say about this poly gel is that you definitely have to be careful your room temperature, because the day that I was doing this hand, my room was freezing cold. So it was a little hard to kind of move the poly gel around because it was harder than usual. So when I did my second hand, it was much easier. But I will say, if you are somebody that can't really mess around with monomer because of the smell, I would definitely recommend doing it with poly gel. You just have to make sure you find a good clear poly gel. This one wasn't so bad, but I wish it could have been a little more clear. Alright guys, so let me roll up my sleeves. So I actually had to run out the night that I was recording this, so I was only able to do this hand, and this was how it came out. So the poly gel is pretty clear, but you could still see that it's not like fully clear, but still it's not so bad. So I didn't record this hand because I ended up doing this hand in my in-laws house, so I didn't get to record it, and then it was my brother's birthday celebration, so I was literally rushing. But clearly, as you can see, I was rushing so fast that this side came out with white hearts, with white reflective hearts, and this side came out with pink reflective hearts. I could have sworn that it was the same. The lighting that I was working with was horrible, but it's okay. So yeah guys, so this was the finished look for these nails. I actually got this nail inspo by a TikToker who also has a YouTube. I believe her name is GlammedBeauty, but I'll put a picture of her TikTok or her YouTube, and I'm gonna put a picture of the nail inspo. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry for the lack of footage. I am going to be doing another Valentine's Day look, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button before you head out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can keep getting notified anytime I post. And of course, share. Also, before I leave, in my upcoming video, I am going to make an announcement, so make sure you stay tuned. We are almost at 300 followers, which I am very happy about, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the new subscribers. You know, it really means so much to me. I try to put as much as I can into these content. You know, I have a lot of limited resources, so I do what I can with what I have. But I really do appreciate it, guys. My YouTube has been skyrocketing these past 2 weeks, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.